Hey guys, this video is about Subway Surfers. See this little thing on the top, on the top left corner? That is a cheating menu. Well, yeah, you see it's God mode on, stuff like that. Okay, so we're going to be playing Subway Surfers. Just gonna find it. There it is. Okay. Now I'm going to just. I'm going to go play. You see this? Oh no, he's chasing me. Oh no. Oh. You see? Wait. Now I can never die. And I am going to defy gravity. Oh no, he's coming after me. But what will I ever do? Wee, wee, wee. This is big boots. They'll help me jump even higher. Just kidding, they'll make it even happier. I'm flying. You're gonna see something even more crazy. I'm gonna turn on no gravity. Boom. I'm becoming God. My God. I guess I'm coming. Oh. Daily high school. Hey, you wanna see there's also this cheat where you can go down here, score menu where your score is. You can add your score. I forgot how it works, but like here, yeah. Just that, I don't know. How do you do it? Oh, there it is. Okay. You just gotta put a lot of nines. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay? That's good. Now, okay. Resume. Daily high score reward. Okay, now look on the top right corner. That is my score. And that is the biggest score you could ever get in the game. That. So basically, I beat the game, you know? I'm a flying birdie. You saying I'm a flying birdie because I am? Why is there an O? Okay, this is just Subway Surfers, but easy mode right now. Yo. Oh my. Yeah, I just crashed. Yeah, I'm cheating. I just made that. I'm just the biggest hacker at this game. So good at this game, like this. I think I just defied the laws of physics. Run. I have so many points. Oh wait, I have a good idea. What if I do unlimited coins? a shop menu. Oh, free shopping, yes. Unlimited, yes, unlimited everything. I have unlimited everything, guys. Okay, wait. If I just get one tiny dollar, if I just get one tiny little guy, one tiny, little tiny money. No. It doesn't, what? I don't have unlimited money. Well, at least I can do free shopping every month. Oh. Now look at my money. Dang, boy. I got 999999999 everything. I can just buy everything right here. I can buy everything. I can buy everything. Yay! I can buy everything. There. There we go. Oh my god. Yeah, I want to stay so I can get all the letters. I want to go down. I want to go down. I want to go down, Daddy. Okay. I want to turn off the no gravity. It's kind of getting annoying. I need gravity. Okay. There we go. Gotta get that happen. Yes, I got the T. Yes. I got one of the letters, guys. Oh my god. Look how good I'm doing, bro. Bro, I'm good. I'm good. Oh. And a jetpack. No. Oh. Okay. What are you kidding me? Hi. Wop. For Gundam style. For Gundam style. Maybe Gundam style. And this madness. I'm just playing the game and this madness. Dang, oh my god. Oh, can you help me? Can you help me? Okay. I want to show you guys gate. Those are gate. The gate flags. You know, the gate flags. You know what I mean? Oh, there's my, there's My surfboard. Average. Skateboard, I don't know. It's got Subway Surfers. So I think I'm surfing. Weird. Dang. This is no madness. Oh, no, the police is after me. Yeah, I just got this on. I definitely didn't go on a mod app. To get these cheats. Oh my god, I missed it. Jesus Christ. Oh. Oh my. Let me just check if it's still recording. Okay. Thanks. Yo. Nah. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Gotta run. See all those gay flags? Why are those there? Wait, let's see if I finish the word. Oh my, I wasted my time. Okay, at least that's good. We're going to go to like okay, hi. Okay, we're gonna go to me. What the heck? Yeah, this is my turn. Please select the golden remarks. Okay. Boards. I said boards. I'm pressing boards. I said I'm pressing it. You see that? It's fine. I can glitch. I do not want to glitch. Glitching is not good glitching. Okay. What do you want me to do? Nothing. I'm like, let the game tell us what you think. No. Check for updates. Oh. Okay, I was just doing something. Here. Like that word, but like, watch this. You know what to do for shock? I can do that. But it boosts. Yeah. Okay, offers. These are all the offers. Mine. Yeah, I'll take it. Slut. Now I'm not watching that ad for that much. That's only a little. Like, what if I go? Wait. So, like, I'm gonna show you. Yes, here. I can get that. I can get this. More. You get the free shopping. You guys can go check it out. You guys can go check out the mod on apkgw.com. Okay. It's right on this mod. It's right on this mod app. Just put in mod apps on the Google Play Store, and you'll see that. You put in Subway Surfers when you get into it, and then you're done. There, you got the mod. Well, you have to like load, go to files, and then it'll start loading. You gotta do it like that again. You have to like delete your other app, and then you can get it when you're back installed it with it, and then there you got it. Like what I have right now. If that sounded too what I said is that weird to you, like what I said. Oh yeah, it was too weird. It was too like I don't know. Yeah, but just go like install your app and then you download this mod and then you do that again, but it's like it's a different then it installs your app to come back on you, so go get it. Bye. Okay. Bye. I'll see you in another episode.